What's up, guys? Jordan here from Show Me Vegas, and I am at Treasure Island Hotel and Casino here in Las Vegas. This is a place I didn't know very much about until yesterday when I checked in, and I got lost a lot of times. So what better place to do a Show Me Vegas walking tour than right here, so that maybe you don't suffer the same fate. Let's go take a look around. As always, we're going to start right here at Main Valet, and as always, we're going to use the map to help show you around. Right in from Main Valet, of course, is the lobby. This is a really pretty hotel lobby. It's got a lot of natural light, nice chandeliers. We're going to turn and head toward the casino, and instead of going right, we're going to go left. I think it works better to go left this time. Right here on the right is a gift shop. On the left is the coffee shop. That's a great place for breakfast. Directly in front of us is Breeze Bar. This is the casino bar. Open 24/7, does have bar top gaming. Restaurants are all scattered around the outside of the casino floor. You're going to see them all on our left on this tour. Passing by right now, Pho. And right past that is Phil's Steakhouse. This is the steakhouse here. Named after owner Phil Ruffin. They've got steaks, seafood, Italian dishes in there. Definitely the nicest restaurant here on property. And right next to that, already we're at the hotel elevators. So after you check in, the elevators are not far from the lobby at all. I'm going to shoot down this hallway real quick and show you a few things. We're going to pass right by the Golden Circle Sportsbook and Bar. We'll see that in a little more detail as we come back. But just past that, another gift shop. A frozen yogurt place. This is being done at about 9 o'clock on a Sunday morning, so you're not going to see much foot traffic. That's when I really enjoy doing these tours. Over here on the left is Pizzeria Francesco's. I had a slice in there last night and it was not very good. But now you see the theater from Mystère. This is Cirque du Soleil's first resident production in Las Vegas. This opened all the way back in 1993. So it's been performed here for 30 years. We saw it once, it's a good show. Highly recommended. I think there's a reason it's lasted for 30 years. Alright, these are the escalators that go upstairs to the parking garage. They also used to go to the tram that went over to the Mirage. But with the Mirage closed, that tram is no longer in existence. Just past that, on the left, Starbucks. Not too bad a line for 9 o'clock on a Sunday morning. And right over here is the Cove Bar and Arcade. I didn't even know this existed until last night. Pretty cool. They have mini bowling in there, some other arcade games. And then down this hallway here, that's how you get to the pool. No need to walk all the way down the hallway, but trust me, it's there. zip back out to the casino and see some more stuff.
Getting drunk from 7 to 3. Overindulging, flash like it's free. We're on.
All right, as we get back out to the corner of the casino floor here, you see the Golden Circle Sports Book and Bar.
Making love that we don't even feel. You don't even notice if it's.
This is a sports bar, and the sports book is actually kind of buried back there at the back. It's really big, pretty cool atmosphere. It was busy last night. This whole casino was extremely busy last night. Pan real quickly and show you the middle, and then we'll continue on around the left side here.
My face, my body, and my tongue, 'cause I just wanna feel good.
You see how big the Golden Circle is? It's still on our left, and it is for a little ways now.
On your sweetheart hit and missed. Uh-oh.
All right, next up is Yacht Club. It's a seafood restaurant, and I ate in here last night. And it was actually pretty good, and the prices were reasonable. I had a pasta dish, a seafood pasta dish, and a cocktail. The cocktail was $18. My seafood pasta was $38. Not awful. Definitely better than you're going to find a lot of places on the Strip.
Using all that's left. Somewhere in your chest. Using all that's left. Somewhere.
It seems so easy right now with nobody in here, but I had some difficulty finding my way around here last night. It was like a time warp. I kept finding myself back in the same spot. Alright, I see security over there, so I'm not going to walk all the way back in here, but you see they've got the Big Chill Margarita Bar. Back here in the corner, next to this Popeyes, there's an escalator that goes up to the footbridge to the Fashion Show Mall, as well as a CVS. There's actually an entrance to the CVS right here in the casino, which is really convenient. Continuing on around, we've got Senor Frogs here. This has been here since about 2012. Very popular with the 20-somethings. Mexican food, a party atmosphere. They were handing out drink tickets there last night. 2-for-1s. On around this way. We're now on the Strip side of the casino. Right outside is Sirens Cove, where the pirate ships are. So you have the Sirens Cove shop right here. This casino was only 48,000 square feet, so I feel kind of stupid for getting lost in here so many times last night, but it was packed. Alright, here are the doors that go outside of the Sirens Cove entrance. Let's go out there and take a look, because this is what most of you are going to recognize from Treasure Island. If you're not familiar with this hotel, this also gives you a good idea of where the location is. We're up here almost to the north end of the Strip. Palazzo is right across the street. Wynn and Encore are right down this way. The pirate ships have seen better days, and the Cove has definitely seen better days. It's almost dry. Not a lot of effort being put into this area. This show is one that I didn't get to see. It ended in about 2012, if I'm not mistaken, and I just never got a chance to come up here and see it before it ended. Alright, let's get back inside of the casino. In this area of the casino is one of the few places in here you still see some kind of pirate theming. The facades up around the ceiling. And I don't know if you saw it on the way back out, but there's a pretty cool mural above this door. But other than that, not a lot of pirate theming left. Like most of Las Vegas, they tried to remove the themes in the early 2000s. See the cashier's cage right there. We'll keep going left. And before too long, we're going to be back at the main lobby where we started. On the left, this is Gillies. This is a barbecue restaurant and saloon, and I'm not a country guy, but it looked like a really fun time last night. Here's the entrance. You know what, let me back up, show you through the window, because this is worth noting here at Treasure Island. This is probably the most fun place. There's a stage and a dance floor. There was line dancing going on last night. After 10 p.m. there was a $10 cover, and it really wasn't busy. So I was gonna go in, but I wasn't about to pay a $10 cover and pay $15 per beer just to sit and listen to country music and watch other people dance, so I passed. Now we're back around here to the main valet. These are not the doors we came in. Those are just a little bit further to the left. Or right, I should say. You do have some check-in kiosks over here, but I don't know why anybody would need those. I came at 5:30 on a Saturday, checked in, there was no line. I checked in 2 minutes tops. And now we're back to the coffee shop, and this is where we first came in. Let's cut down through the middle. I'll show you a couple more things, and then we'll wrap this up. Table games here last night were all $15. Every game across the board, $15. Over here on this side is the Players Club. I want to show you some of the slot area because this place has a great selection of slots. Everything I wanted to play I found here, and the atmosphere was fun. It was loud, it was vibrant. It was actually pretty enjoyable. All right, we've pretty much seen it all. At this point, we're just drifting. So let's wrap this up. And that's it. I said at 48,000 square feet, this is a small casino. And the only reason you can get lost in here is because it's shaped so awkwardly. But if you follow your way around the outside, you'll eventually get where you need to go. Hey, thanks for watching this one, guys. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to the channel and turn on that notification bell so you get notified anytime we drop new content, walking tour or otherwise. I also made a video showing what it was like to stay here at Treasure Island 2024. Be sure and check that one out. I'll link it in the description box down below. We'll see you in that next video because there's always more for us to show you on Show Me Vegas.